Now, amid the immigration crackdown under President Donald Trump, the U.S. administration admitted a mistake in deporting a Massachusetts college student, but argued that the error should not affect her case. At a court hearing in Boston on Tuesday, government lawyers said that the court had no jurisdiction because Any Lucia Lopez Belloza's lawyers filed the case hours after she was moved to Texas. However, they also admitted that they violated a judge's order. Officials said that an ICE officer had wrongfully believed that the order no longer applied after she left Massachusetts and failed to activate a system that would have stopped the deportation. The government claims that the deportation was legal because an immigration judge ordered her and her mother moved in 2016, and thereafter their appeal was denied the next year in 2017. However, Belloza's lawyer said that the government clearly broke the court order and denied her due process, calling on officials to bring her back.
One possibility is that ICE facilitates her return to the United States by allowing her an entry document to come back that would let her go to college, and it would give us time to work on the underlying issues she had that led to her deportation in the first place. ICE could also agree to reopen the prior order of removal, which would cause no impediments to her reentry.
On November 20th, Any Lucia Lopez Belloza, a 19-year-old Babson College freshman, was detained at Boston Airport while trying to fly home to surprise her family for Thanksgiving. Her lawyer filed a lawsuit challenging her detention the next day. She was deported to Honduras 2 days later. Her deportation happened despite an emergency court order issued on 21st of November that required the government to keep her in the U.S. for at least 72 hours. She's currently living with the family in Central America and continuing her studies remotely. Her case is one of several recent incidents where deportations were carried out despite court orders, including cases where the government was later forced to return deported individuals to the U.S. The widespread detentions of immigrants in the U.S. has drawn widespread anger, triggering protests in several U.S. states.